Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write a simple OnlyFans bio. So I will log into my account and from here I will move my profile icon which is right bottom corner and just tap to my profile, the first one. So I will tap on this gear icon which is right top, you will see below my cover photo. So just simple tap to this gear icon and here you will see how to write a good bio for OnlyFans. Personalize your bio with your interests, hobbies, favorite things, etc. Keep it short and clear. Include keywords related to your niche. Tell about your content and frequency. So include links to your Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, your company or personal brand, your goal and aspiration, your 2 3 most impressive and relevant achievements. You can also write it achievement. So I will just write as simple and short. I am a content creator and set an attractive emoji like this glasses smiley face. So I will just tab on to save in the top right corner. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.